Welcome back to Construction Simulator in Europe. We're working through the European campaigns, and last time we finished this biogas level, part of the energy efficient ecological thing, and we need to get a new job. So let's jump across the campaigns, renewable energies, and looks like it's going to be the last one. So let's dial this up to high. So yeah, 600 grand, not too much. Shouldn't take too long, I'm guessing. So let's jump across to there. Where is it going to be? Where is it? Here it is, way up here on the hill. Hope everybody's day's going great. It's a Saturday morning for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. Plan is to go through the entire campaign of Europe and yeah, enjoy this together. Alright, let's see what the environment officer has to say.
Some time ago, one of the local energy providers decided to build a wind power plant on the property. We knew about the remnants of this abandoned industrial facility, but had no idea about the barrels of toxic waste, which also turned out to be leaking. Please take this old chemical waste to the recycling center as soon as possible.
So it sounds like we're going to empty out this site and then build a turbine on it, I guess. Is there a crane position? So we have to crane that out, I'm guessing. I'm not seeing a crane construction site, so we'll just have to bring a crane onto site. So yeah, everything's in the garage, or most things are in the garage. In the bridge episode a while ago, we bought a whole lot of big cranes, so I think I'm just going to use one of the big ones. We'll grab this one out. Need to remember to use the fueling and maintenance things at gas stations. We need to get up to 25 of those so we can expand our company. This thing's got a huge range, so I'm just going to kind of set it up out here. I think that's far enough away from the fence. Yeah. This is probably way overkill, probably too big. I don't think we'll have to boom out much at all. Might boom out more. Get a bit more height. There we go. That way we'll be able to stretch over the entire site. We must be way up in the yeah, the map border. Yeah, it's probably right there in front of us. The resolution of all the textures drops off around there. So yeah, we're definitely at the very edge of the map. I was wondering where that fourth rock is. It's on the far right hand side there. I'm not quite sure. The chemical drums, we might have to put them onto a truck maybe? Yeah, there's one over there as well. And the last rock. And done for that. Dispose of waste. I assume we have to. I don't see. Do we have to put it on a truck? I mean, sometimes you have to take it to a recycling center. Yeah, I think we're going to need a truck up here, I think. So let's just get a nice, small, easy Yeah, this guy will do, I think. We'll do a bit of fast travel action to jump across. Yeah, somewhere around here, I think, is it this one? Somewhere there's a recycling center. Gravel. Building yard. This is where you can get rid of whatever no one else wants. Yeah, so I think there's one over here as well. Yeah, this one here. Yeah, I think we might have to drive it to this place. Hopefully I didn't put that crane. I should be able to sneak this way a bit. I think I'll go close to the... I'll go up close so we don't have to crane too far. Actually, I don't know if this type of truck, it will. Yeah, okay. I was going to say, I hope that lets you put a pallet in it. I was worried that it was only going to let me take raw materials. Alright, so let's see if taking this down the road is the right way to go. So down the hill, do a U-turn. I don't think we can. We probably could do a cross country, but we'll go this way. What's this thing? Like a little sight. Ooh. I think this was close to where... Is this where the... No, I was going to say, is this close to the very first thing where we had to make a road for the hotel, but that's the other side of the map. This is next to the road, which we just fixed. The asphalting we did. The step before the biogas plant. Actually, I'm glad I got this truck because it's got a crane on it, and we might have to crane these off and put them on the in the recycle point. Yeah, I'm seeing the blue thing on the right, so it's definitely, this is where we need to be. Down the back here, I think. Scrapyard, yeah. Recycle goods. Oh, this is where we got the bell from, right? Yeah, this is where we got the bell for the church tower, I think. Just going to put the boards down to make it easier. Let's get a bit of angle here. We'll do the far one first, I think. That was pretty easy. Yeah, I think this is where we picked up the church bell, I think. Alright, so we'll close that up. We need to reset first. Alright, so crate earth ramp. We'll jump across, but I'm pretty sure we're going to need a bulldozer for that. Yeah, actually I don't know why I fast travel with this, but we'll park this over here. And then let's out of storage get... I'm a fan of the cat for this type of thing. I think the Libas also pretty good for this, but the cat does let you push more dirt around, I think. Fast travel. I don't know if it's... Is it... Actually, before we go too far, I just saw a hammer. That was quite hard to see. It was only because it glistened. Yay, hammer. What's that number? 9. 9 out of 100. Yeah, that's not much. I assume... I'm not sure which end's the deep end. I guess we'll find out. So let's put that blade down. You could use the excavator for this, I think, or a wheel loader. Obviously, we won't get the dirt bonus here. I think I'm gonna... Do I want to do... I think I might do both sides first, rather than just doing one side then moving across. So, come on. Make sure the blade's down. Yeah, I'm not sure if it wants us to make the far end the shallow end or what. Yeah, the thing with the cat is it pushes stuff to left and right. Change side so I can see where that yellow line is. I don't know if it's meant to be like a U shape or like a dome to the ground, because it seems like it's getting shallow as you get to the ends. Yeah, it seems to be like a bowl shape. %. Is it getting deep at this end? We'll look at the construction menu in a sec. So, what does it want? Yeah, I think it wants to be a bowl shape. Okay. Since there's so much dirt involved, I think we need to dig some of it out, I think. So I'm going to move that wheel. I'm going to move this crane so it doesn't hit anything. And then we'll grab a dump truck. Now, do I want to use an excavator or wheel loader? I don't know. I do prefer the excavator. I'm just more comfortable with it. I think it's going to be a lot of wheel loader loads. So I'm going to try the excavator, and we need to burn down the usage anyway. So, and I got a feeling we're going to need the excavator over here for a later thing, like some type of concrete footing or something. I suppose the idea behind this is that we're picking up contaminated dirt, maybe. So let's get this into place, and then we'll fix the time. Alright, so let's get a bit of daylight action going. I'm going to go all the way to noon. I want some decent daylight here. We're not renting anything, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, it needs to be deep? Oh, that cements my thinking. If it needs to be deep, then excavate is the way to go. Is it shallow at the far end? Okay, this is the deep end, okay. So I think the idea is we're going from the shallow end at the far end to this deep end, and then we're going to put a, because there's a round type thing here, we're going to put a concrete footing down for a sawmill, windmill. Sawmill. I've been doing too much farming sim. Now we're gonna have to get in this hole at some point. Try to get the angle right. I should be able to walk down into that hole. Okay, let's walk down to the hole, should be alright. I'll just make sure my back is doable. That'll do. Uh, 62%, yeah, I think if we just clear out this line, this should be enough for us to finish it off. %. Yeah, making good progress here, I think. I don't think we need to do much on this side. I think it's pretty well close to bedrock. Oh yeah, okay, as we go forward, there's a bit on the right. Yeah, having the truck higher than us is a little bit problematic, but we're slowing us down a bit, but we'll get there. 70%. well and truly too full. I think it can stay where it is. I don't think we need to move it yet. Yeah, the wheel loader would be kind of okay here because it's got a nice run-up space. Dumping it into the truck should be okay. You'd probably go up the ramp, do a 90-degree corner, and do it that way. I think, yeah, we probably need to put a dozer through that edge on the right there, and that should make it happy. We'll do a bit of removal. It's pretty lenient, the game, about picking up stuff. There's a fair bit of material up here at the top of the ramp that we can use, so... Nice long strokes. We're 80%. Yeah, the thing about the wheel loader is it will pick up all these scraggly bits a lot better. Doing it with the excavator is not very efficient. If we don't get an obvious 100%, I will grab the wheel loader and just run into the hole and scrape along and just do big wide stripes. Get some out of this right wall. It's quite a small site, so we might struggle with having vehicles in the way of each other. Actually, I'm glad I brought the big crane now in hindsight, because we'll be probably putting up a wind turbine, and we'll probably need the its length. So we should be able to keep it where it is, I think, for the entire campaign job. 89. Oops. Yeah, the ramp's getting quite shallow this end. I think we're going to need to move forward a bit more. One. Actually, the back of my excavator is hitting the wall. Am I beached? I think I beached myself. This might be an opportune time to get out the wheel loader, I think. Try and dig underneath myself, but I don't think it's going to work. Can I extricate myself? There it goes. Yeah, I saw an obvious area back here that we should just have a quick stripe of. My butt's hitting the wall, so I'll have to swing this way. %. I think I'm going to cut my losses with the excavator here. Yeah, I don't think it's a good use of my time. It's only small buckets now. Especially when I drop stuff. Yeah, I'm just wasting my time here. So let's see if I can walk this out. And we'll drive the wheel loader in instead. Actually, you know what I'll do? I'm going to use the cat. I'm going to let's put this over here for now. I'm just going to drop the cat in the hole and push the dirt to the end, and that should suffice, I think. I'll have to drive around. Yeah, the cat's pretty fast actually. It's actually got a half decent speed to it. That didn't change anything. Oh, come on. Let's try that again, see if we can... Actually made it worse because I think it's pushed up to the right. Let's have a look at the construction menu. Yeah, we should be able to... I think because it was pulling the wall. That's not making it much better because it's not really cleaning out the surface. Yeah, you know, I think the wheel loader actually might be better. Let me grab the wheel loader. That way we can pick up stuff. Alright, so let's clear this out. Jump across the vehicle fleet, wheel loader. There it is. Take out. I was thinking that it was a cat-based piece of equipment, but it's actually case. Yeah, we'll scrape along the bottom, and that should finish this. Where are we? So we'll go this way. I'm going to jump out and change time before I start. Just going to go noon again. I am just going to dump it off the end of the site because I don't care about the money. Yeah, there's a bit of a ridge here on the left. I was going to dump it, but it's making a pretty big mess. I don't know if it's going to be tall enough to get into... I may need to... Oh, we've got a bit of a ramp here, so maybe. We'll scrape along the bottom. Getting this... stop doing that. There we go. Getting the blade down nice and low. So I think I'm going to have to dump it like over here. So let's move the truck. This is a bit more technical and tricky than I thought it was going to be. So it's the last percentages that are hard to do. So rather than wasting our time, let's have a look at the construction overlay. So that far end should be it. '97. Yeah, this backwards and forwards action definitely takes a long time, so you wouldn't want to be doing the whole hole like this. '97. There's a little stripe there in the middle that we can get, and hopefully that will be it. I'm just going on the colorization of the dirt. It's really hard to see actual level changes. $98. There's a little bit more to the left there still. I'm going to empty this truck out. It's too hard to dump into it right now. That's one of the reasons I like the excavator, because getting the bucket emptied on the wheel loader, it's just sometimes just a little bit too difficult. It's an interesting camera angle game. Forcing the bucket into the ground, it can be really difficult sometimes. 99, come on, come on, come on, 100. Yes, 100. Alright, I'm done with that. That definitely was enough digging for the day. So about half hour of digging, yeah. Hopefully that's going to be a good enough place to park it. Let's get this guy over here somewhere. And lastly, the dozer. I thought when I parked it over here it might be in the way. You know what? I don't trust the game to not... I don't trust the game to clean that up. And I don't want it in my way when I'm doing stuff. And see what happens. Alright. I'm pretty sure we're not going to need this guy, but we'll leave him on site. Alright, let's get our drilling guy out of storage. If I can see him, there he is. Take out, enter, fast travel across the site. I apologize in advance for my skills of this. I am terrible at it. I should be able to do this from... Am I going to need to be in the hole? I think I'm going to need to be in the hole. Yeah, I think I need to be in the hole for this one. I'm not going to be using the crane on the digger. I'll use the crane that's our big one to our left. So we need to attach, what's the sequence? We need to attach the bore, then attach the drill, this thing to the bore, go down, remove a scoop, come out, they won't finish it, put it down, remove the other half, which will finish it, but we'll continue through to the next hole, dig out another half, put another tube on it, so we'll have to get out of the way, and then push down hard, and that should be it. So three drilling actions. Alright, so let's have a... So we need to... I don't need to... I need to line up the drill head. And then I need to swing it out of the way. Actually, I'll swing this way, I think. Crane. So I'm going to crane hopefully over the top of all this. I'm going to keep the head, I'm going to increase the length of the boom. Give us plenty of swing space. Alright, so I'm going to put the two yellow ones. You can see on the top left hand corner there's a black stripe that represents the yellow ones. I'm going to place both of these. Carefully not to tangle myself with the drill. That's one. So we drill through. If you're not familiar with the drill, you drill through it. You oh, what am I doing? You attach the head. This is kind of like a drill bit, a little bit. It rotates as it goes down, and then it stops the walls from collapsing. And there's an auger that goes through the middle of it that pulls the dirt out. So once you've stabilized it and got it in the ground, you can pull the dirt out. Why can't I rotate? Because I'm hitting the dozer. That was a terrible place to park. Alright, let's get the drill. So now we need to go into... We'll extend the track so it's nice and wide and more stable. And we'll go into the mode and we go... So left right stick is turning the head, left stick is down and twist. I'm trying to go straight down here. Come on. Why can't I? Do I need to? We might need to go forward a little bit. Sometimes this gets a bit, it doesn't want to, there it goes. Yeah, so we're pushing the cylinder down and then the auger's filling up and then we lift our head up. Actually, might be doing this. Actually, I'm not going to put it anywhere near the that thing on the left. Bit of wiggle to get rid of it. Looking at the menu at the top left, we're only a tiny amount through, so we need to dig the head down. So you can't tell, but I'm pressing the right hand joystick down, and then that's causing the auger head. I'll bring up the big part. It's causing this to go up and down. You can see how I can get it closer and further away. Alright, so now we need to put the... Whoops. We need to put the other pipe... if I can get the rope around it. And then get this another pipe. I'm going to swing around our drill thing. Carefully get it down to the right place. I'm actually going to prepare this for the future. You can pick up the other one. I haven't had any problems with the game leaving a piece of material mid-flight yet. Hasn't burnt me yet. Alright, back to this one. Down, get close. We're just gonna dig this one into the ground as well, pull out the dirt in the middle. And we're going down, down, down. We're just looking at the middle graph there at the bottom. Finished. Pull out the dirt. Alright, so let's reposition ourselves for the other one. So we're going to have to change modes, lift the head, change modes, drive forward. think that's about right. Cool. Change modes, go down. I'm gonna change. I want to definitely see what I'm doing here. We'll change the time to midday. How are we going for time? 45 minutes. I think we might just do this, put the concrete in, we'll call this one a day. Detach, which is A. Come up. Ooh. Dump the dirt there. Get close again. Attach, more drilling. So I'm drilling through the bottom of the hole here. That's why the yellow is going up on the right hand side. Going deeper and deeper and deeper. I might actually put this over here because there's not much space. We'll get the pipe on the crane. That wasn't too painful. That was good. Let's boom this. I have no idea what the next step is, so let's boom this out of the site and make it pretty tall so it doesn't hit anything. And now we just need to boom up a bit more, down, connect, drive it down. So the first part goes down fast because we've already dug it before, and now the slow dig into the ground. I'm watching the top left menu for 100%. There we go. And that is that bit. And I think we're so there's very little maintenance on that, so I'm pretty sure we're not going to have any more of that guy, so we're just going to store him. Let's get our concrete truck. I kind of want to set this up. I don't know how much concreting we're going to be doing, but I'm sure it's going to be more than just these pylons. So I'm going to probably park this maybe. It's good. Its length's pretty good, so I think I might actually park it over here and just hope that we can use it the entire mission from over here. I have a tiny amount in the tank, but I don't think it's enough to do one of these pylons. Yeah, that leg's off out of sight, not out of the site. So I'll empty this out, but I don't think we're anywhere close to having enough concrete. Look down the hole, there'd be green there somewhere. There's a tiny amount of green down there. Alright. Okay, the concrete mix is actually in the shed. Let's take that out. This is quite diverse, this one. I like it. We've got a bit of dirt action, a bit of concrete action, a bit of crane action. I'm pretty sure we're going to get the opportunity to place some windmill blades, which is going to be really cool. Yeah, hopefully we can keep this concrete mixer and concrete pump well and truly over here out of the way for the entire entire job. That'd be great. Turn the head around. Fill her up, empty her out. Alright, let's get this quickly done. That hole's quite deep, isn't it? You can see the green line slowly raising up. That one's complete. Yeah, we're getting some maintenance on this, which is good. We can use that at a gas station for our maintenance and fuel quotient. Now these take a lot of. Hopefully we've got enough. These take a lot of concrete. $98, $99. I need to lift it up. 100. Oh, there is more doing. Alright, we'll have to bring that back. So let's. I'm going to jump across the concrete mixer and tell him to be quiet. We'll go back home. Yeah, hopefully we haven't repaired our digging thing. Where is the digging thing? There it is. I think it's already been fixed. Fast travel! That's a pity. I kind of wish we'd kept it there now, but a little bit too eager to return home. So there might actually be another row of these. There might actually be 6. The concrete pump was reaching a fair way to get into from where I parked it, so I think it can reach these ones, but I'm not sure if there's more. We might have to reposition it. Make those tracks wider, give you more stability. Now before this gets in the way, I'm going to use the crane to get these pipes done. My orientation's off. I couldn't reverse it in my brain. Well, it looks like the middle of the circle, so this probably is the last 2. Let's have a look at the job and see if there's any more. Drilling. Okay, so this is. These are the last 2. So based on that and what time it is, because it does take time to do drilling and stuff, we're going to call it the end of an episode. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, all that cool stuff. And next time we'll get into we'll finish off the drilling exercise and move on to cable management, looks like, and other cool stuff. As always, thanks for watching.